I just bought this acrylic paint set. There's 18 different colors in it, but I believe Shuttle Art sells up to 24, maybe up to 36 different colors in a set. This particular set came with this spatula and also a sponge, which I used to just complete this project. This took me about 30 minutes to do, and I found that the paint was very easy to use. None of it came dry. They come in like this little cap that when you open them for the first time, they're actually sealed. So maybe I can show you what they look like here real quick. See if I can open. Okay, so as you can see, there's like a little inner cap that protects it from during the shipping process, and it's nice sealed, and there's no chance of leakage or any type of drying as it's getting shipped or in storage. So this I completed within 30 minutes, and as you can tell, the first section that I completed is already dry. So this dries very quickly. Now, of course, the thicker sections or the sections that I just completed not long ago is still a little bit wet. So we'll see how long that completes, but if you're just going to apply it naturally, it takes less than 30 minutes for the paint to dry. But overall, I am loving this so far, and my daughter is going to love this as well. Hope you found this helpful. Have a great one.